I tried CeraVe Foaming Cleanser and CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for 1 week. Then this is what happens to my skin. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and give me a comment on this video. I've tried CeraVe's Foaming Cleanser and CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for 7 good days, and this is how my skin used to be like, and this is how my skin is after using this product for 7 good days. So I am one person who is suffering from, especially in dry season like this, I do suffer a lot with dry skin, so that's why my skin is like this most of the times. And so I was looking for something that is really going to make my skin hydrated and also was going to help me, especially right now when it's very dry outside. Then I reached out to CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. It is for normal to oily skin, and it has 3 essential ceramide, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid helps a lot to retain water or to further moisture the skin. And this is CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. So this is a product for dry to very dry skin. So after starting using this product, I started seeing changes after 3 to 4 days. So first of all, my skin didn't react really well when I started using these products, only these products for 7 days, CeraVe Foaming Cleanser and CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for 7 days. So my skin was not reacting so well. So then I realized, I went to CeraVe website to just check if I was doing something wrong or if I was not cleansing my face properly. So I went ahead and checked how to actually use these products properly. So then I realized that you need to wet your skin first. So I'm just going to show you how I use it to achieve hydrated skin. So if you're somebody who has, it's going on my face. So if you're somebody who is looking for products for very dry skin, or you're looking for some product to hydrate your skin, these are the products that you need. So you need to start by washing your hands. After washing your hands, you take CeraVe Foaming Cleanser, put it in the palm of your hands. Then you want to lather it around your hands. After lathering it around your hands, you want to massage this product on your skin for 60 seconds. Massaging this product for 60 seconds in your skin helps this product to work really well with your skin. So this is what I do each and every morning. I did this for each and every morning. Sometimes I felt my skin after going out and walking out, taking my daughter out for a walk and walking out in dry season, I felt my skin sometimes it was dry, and after using them in the morning and in the afternoon each and every day for 7 days, it changed the way my skin was looking actually. So after cleansing your face, after doing this, you want to go ahead and rinse your face off. So after cleansing my face, I just dry my skin. Then I go straight to applying CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. This is how CeraVe Moisturizing Cream is leaving my skin. Okay. So this is what happened on day 1 after using CeraVe Foaming Cleanser in the morning and also CeraVe Moisturizing Cream in the morning. Day 1, my skin was a little bit dry because my skin is used to I'm used to applying other products to my skin, like essence, like toner. I'm used to applying that on my skin. So day 1, the products did not react so well with my skin. And day 2, I started getting a little bit of rashes. Then I realized that I was not using the product properly. After checking on CeraVe website, I realized that I was using these products wrongly. Then I corrected it on day 2. Then day 3, my skin started becoming very good. Actually, it started working so well. I was using it in the morning, I was using them in the evening. I came back home from taking my daughter for a walk, and even after walking out, because it's so dry outside right now, take care of yourself. It's very dry and it's very cold. You need to take care of yourself. So this product really started working very well on my skin on day 3, and on day 4 my skin became so used to them, and I was loving how everything was going with my skin. On day 5 my skin was just nice, and I just continued using them in the morning and in the evening, and also I continued like that on day 6 and day 7, which is actually today. Then there are so many things, there are so many good things about these products. Like they have 3 essential ceramides. CeraVe foaming cleanser, it has 3 essential ceramide, that is niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, and also there are these products are fragrance free. So this means my skin do react sometimes with products with fragrance in them, so this makes this product really bonding well with my skin. And also CeraVe moisturizing cream is for dry to very dry skin. I have combination skin, but my skin tends to be very dry. I know your skin will be, sometimes our skin tends to change with weather, so sometimes my skin is very dry during fall and also during winter seasons. So that's why I use CeraVe moisturizing cream. This cream is very big, and you can also use it on your body, you can also use it on other places you feel like you have very dry skin. So if you're somebody who is looking for a combination of skincare products that are going to leave your skin very hydrated this very dry season, you can use this combo. They're very nice, they're fragrance free, they don't have any chemicals or ingredients that can disturb your skin. This is a foaming cleanser. It will foam when you wash your skin. It's very good for removing makeup, and if you have acne prone skin, you can also use this product. It's amazing and you'll actually love it. Same goes to this product. Creamy, it's a little bit, it's creamy, so it's not a gel moisturizer. It's creamy, and I believe it's creamy, and it makes your skin very hydrated after using them. So let me know in the comment section below, have you tried this combo? How did they react to the skin? You can actually see how my skin is at the moment, so you can see it's still moisturized. So I used only this combo for 7 days, and that is how my skin felt like. Let me know in the comment section below, have you used CeraVe? Have you tried CeraVe foaming cleanser, or have you used CeraVe moisturizing cream before? How did they react to your skin? And that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, and bye bye.